Just gonna give a quick tour because I just finished the second floor yesterday. So let the documenting of the rebuild continue. I added an enchantment room, got the library, and pretty much just filled in all the flooring. I made my seat, made a little secret back there. But everything is filled in, everything is completed. But now I gotta work on downstairs. This you'll see later. But we end by heading downstairs. The process continues, but you'll see the start of it tomorrow. The continuation, we got little additions. That would really help having something here. This is what the upstairs looks like now. This wasn't here before, but it is now. Then you got this, brings you into the library. You got the bedroom, enchantment room. A lot of it is empty. For the most part, a lot of it is empty. But there really wasn't much here to begin with, because it was just a room. It was just an area. I gotta fill in that spot there. It was just an area to explore, filled up with mobs, etc., etc. But we're gonna use it. We're gonna make do with it, and it's just a matter of what we're gonna do with it once it's done. But you'll see the continuation tomorrow.